Muscle man, hello? Yeah? You have who? You're not killing anybody and you don't have her. Okay? Swazi! Baby! Now let me. Everything's gonna be alright, okay? Relax. By the end of the night, you'll be with me, okay? Like I promise you. I will find you. And I will kill you.